The vocabulary word we are exploring now is blizzard. Blizzard. Have you ever seen snow falling so fast and thick that everything disappears into white? That intense snowstorm is called a blizzard. It's more than just snowfall, it's strong wind, freezing temperatures, and low visibility all rolled into one. Let's explore its meaning, examples, and a short story to understand it better. Meaning of blizzard. A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with strong winds and very low visibility. Examples. The blizzard forced the airport to cancel all flights. We were trapped inside the cabin during the blizzard. Driving in a blizzard is extremely dangerous. Short story. Jason had planned a weekend getaway to the mountains, but a surprise blizzard changed everything. Winds howled and snow piled up rapidly. At first, he panicked, but then he lit a fire, made hot cocoa, and played board games with his friends. The blizzard turned into a cozy memory rather than a disaster. Sometimes nature interrupts our plans, but if we stay calm and prepared, even a blizzard can bring warmth and connection.